What's up, everybody? Ash here,
Misty,
and Pikachu. Coming to you guys today from Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. This is actually our first time we've ever signed up or gotten tickets to do this experience. So we're on the monorail right now, heading to Magic Kingdom, but check out this beautiful sunset right here. Yeah, it does not get any cooler than that. How awesome is that? So anyways, look at this lighting. Yeah. So we are super excited. It's gonna be a whole new experience for us going to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. This is obviously Logan's now second Halloween. So hopefully this one, he's actually gonna enjoy getting candy, because obviously last year with him not even being one yet, he was super tiny, didn't even understand really all that was going on. So yeah, if you guys aren't familiar with Mickey's Not So Scary, it's a separately ticketed event, right? How much was our tickets about?
Because we have the annual pass, I think we pay $109.
We got a discount with that, but yeah, it's a separate ticketed event, and it goes from 7 p.m. tonight all the way until midnight. So they got different candy stations throughout the park. Most of the rides, if not all the rides,
I think all the rides
are pretty much open, I believe. They have special character meet and greets. They have a special parade, shows going on. So anyways, we're super excited. Logan is gonna have a blast. So once we get in, we'll have to get Logan's little Pikachu ears on. And yeah, so anyways, if you're new to the channel though, and haven't yet, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to our channel, because we have a lot of awesome, exciting Disney tips, tricks, vlog videos coming to you guys. So make sure to click that subscribe button, hit the like button, notifications bell, and yeah, let's go ahead and check into the park. Right? All right, so we just came in through the front turnstiles. We are in. What are we doing?
You're gonna get the bag.
Oh yeah, we got to get the candy bag first. And then once we get the candy bag, then we can start getting some candy. All right, so as you guys can see, not all the attractions are open, because we are in one of the candy lines right now, and it actually goes through the Philharmonic queue and actually the ride itself here. So Priscilla's got all three of our bags. Logan, not wearing the Pikachu ears right now, but he's ready to get some candy.
Hi, you want that? You're welcome.
Thank you. Oh, it's another station. Two stations in one. Mickey's Philharmonic.
Happy Halloween.
More candy.
Oh, double the bag. Oh, Pikachu and Ash Ketchum and Misty. Oh, we need Brock.
Sorry.
The whole team.
I'll just segura assim.
Logan, say thank you.
Did you get yours, Brian?
So yeah, we've only done 3 candy stations so far, and we've already gotten a ton of candy.
The bags are pretty heavy.
Yeah, they're already heavy, and we just started. So maybe we can get so much candy we pay for our tickets. All right, so now Ash, Misty, and Pikachu are gonna go on Winnie the Pooh, and maybe Ash here can catch the mysterious Winnie the Pooh Pokemon. Well, so we are getting close to the front of the line, and Winnie the Pooh broke down. So we are 0-1 right now. But Mr. Logan here has just discovered M&Ms for the first time, which is super dangerous. Oh my gosh.
Oh my, this is bad.
All it took was one.
Yeah.
It's a special night for him. We don't normally give him any candy. He has like 0 candy, so losing his mind now. He doesn't care that the ride's broken. Got Misty rocking it hard. You got Togepi chilling in the backpack. All right, Logan, are you excited? Now we're gonna go flying with Peter Pan through all the way to Neverland. Neverland? Yeah, whoa! I always like the artwork in here. Oh, here we go, Logan. Here we go. We're gonna go flying.
Nós vamos ver as estrelinhas. Você quer ver a estrelinha no céu?
Logan, did you have fun? High five.
I don't know if he was kidding.
Was that fun, Logan? We went flying. So we're hanging out right now in front of the castle, getting ready for the Mickey's Boo to You Halloween parade. It's coming up now. Right? Yeah. Logan!
Pipoca da Disney!
Good! Fireworks are going on, and this is attempt number 2 to go on the Winnie the Pooh ride. Logan is blown away right now with everything happening between the fireworks. We just saw Tigger, and now we're gonna go on a ride. This is definitely probably sensory overload, especially since it's hours after his bedtime. Oh, and that's loud. You hear the fireworks? That's so cool. It's a little too loud for him. My name is Ash Ketchum, and my goal is to catch all the Pokemon, including bear Pokemon, tiger Pokemon, and donkey Pokemon. There's one now! Pokeball looks really cool.
Hooray for Pooh, too!
Bye, Winnie the Pooh. Hey, Logan, was that cool? His eyes are like, whoa. So, we've already gotten a bunch of candy. We've gone on a couple rides. Both rides were basically no wait, Winnie the Pooh and Peter Pan. And that's one of the unique benefits when coming to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween, because we can actually ride a lot of rides that we would typically wait 40, 50, an hour or more minutes to ride. So,
5 minutes.
yeah, the goofy coaster here, Barnstormer, is 5-minute wait. Basically, when you see a 5-minute wait, that means it's a walk-on. So anyways, we are at the next candy station now. So, oh, and Tron's back there in the background all lit up. Yeah.
Welcome.
Hello. So yeah, and this candy station is at the very, very back of Fantasyland, at the train station. The train is still closed right now, and so they basically turned the queue into a queue line for candy. More candy. Yeah, I'm getting all jacked up on sugar. Yeah. Logan's already sugared out. Logan's getting tired.
Yeah, poor Logan.
Eating some rare candies.
Yes. All kinds of types.
These ones are rare.
He tried for the first time.
M&M's today, and it was like
Those-
life
Those
changing.
peanut butter M&Ms are going like hotcakes.
Yeah. Thank you all very
Have a
much.
good
Good night. Yeah, we're loaded up. Loaded up. How heavy is that bag?
They are really heavy. Look at this.
Yeah, you could basically use it as a dumbbell now.
Yeah.
Start curling with the pounds of candy we have.
And the bags are so cute.
Yeah. Yeah, they're cool. I will say, I think we nailed it with the costumes.
Oh yeah, see? Best group costume.
Best group costume.
They gave it to us.
Presented to Ash Ketchum, Misty, and Pikachu. I literally thought the Carousel of Progress was the busiest I've ever seen it, then I realized it was another candy station. Buzz Lightyear, 5-minute wait.
Kelly.
Hi, Kelly.
So as you see, some of the shows are actually literally going on as we're walking through. And we're getting candy. Load it up. Thank you.
Yeah, so you can feel how heavy it is.
Oh man, that is, yeah, you definitely get, I mean, I know we were saying earlier you get a lot of candy, but this is getting ridiculous. And we're like, are we even halfway done with the stations? We might be halfway
I
done.
don't even know. We've only been into this area.
We've been in, yeah, 2 areas. All right, guys, so we got so much candy today. So much. Absolutely ridiculous. But it's time for us to actually peace out of here. We'd like to stay a little bit later, but Pikachu here, I guess, had one too many battles today. And he is just passed out. However, though, we had an awesome time, an absolute blast. Totally worth the event. Like, look at some of these crazy costumes. Just so cool. They're like Mary Poppins, but they decked out their little electronic wheelchairs with like the horses from the movie. Just so cool. Anyways, overall, would you say it was worth it?
I think it was worth it. Just with the baby, I don't think you can enjoy as much.
Yeah, we're having to leave a little bit early because he's passed out.
Yeah, but I think it was worth it. It's a really cool part, and you can ride the rides without waiting. Like right now, the wait times are like 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
Absolutely insane. One of the worst things, obviously, nowadays when going to Disney is how long and miserable the wait times are. And on days where it's like 95 degrees, it's super hot.
Yeah.
But at least with this, it's in the evening, goes from 7 to 12. Time flies too during this event.
Yeah, we are like, oh, we're not gonna stay here for that long, but it's almost midnight, and we're like,
it's already 11 now. We haven't done anything. Yeah, there's still so much to do. We didn't do all the candy stations, but our bags are full. We even filled up Logan's giant Pokeball there.
My backpack is full.
Her backpack is full. So anyways, hope you all enjoyed the video. There's so much more to check out at Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween. This is just our first time. We're gonna definitely do it again in the future. We get to check out some of the merchandise they sell. They even sell unique desserts just for this event. So yeah, we just gave you guys a small sample in this video. It was more so to take Logan so he could have a good time, go trick-or-treating, and for us to rock out in our Ash Ketchum, Misty, and Pikachu outfits. And also, we'll put the links down below, the Amazon links for everything we use to make up these outfits. Some of them are basically costumes, but some of them, like Logan's, we pretty much got a couple pieces, but custom made it to fit him. So anyways, that's all we got in today's video. Go ahead and click that like button, hit that notifications bell, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel because we have a lot more Disney vlog, tips, tricks, adventure videos coming to you all in the near future. So, we'll see you all later. We're gonna go home and catch more Pokemon.
Bye.